everyone, welcome to our Python tutorial series. In our Python series, we will cover from basic to advanced. So without talking too much now, let's see what you will learn from our course. So as you can see, I have created a presentation to show you what you will learn from in this course. So as a beginner, we will cover these below topics first. Our topic is Python syntax and comments. We will learn variables, data types, strings, booleans, operators, list, tuples, set, dictionaries, if-else condition loops, custom functions, etc. etc. So as a beginner, you will learn all of this in our course. So as you know what you will learn in our course, now let's set up our Python environment without wasting our time. So first of all, go to open your browser. So I'm going to open my browser. So I have opened my Firefox browser. Now to run Python coding in our Windows, first of all we have to download Python and install it on our PC. So search Google Python, then it will show you the Python official website, which is python.org. Click on Python. So if you are complete beginners on our Python series, then if you don't know about Python, so you have to install it from here first. Just click on download, and then you will see the latest version of Python. So click here, download Python. So I already have installed it on my PC, so I don't want to download it, but let me show you what you need to set up. You have to actually check one thing to when you actually install Python on your this machine or Mac machine. So just wait few seconds. When our download is complete, I will show you what you need to check. So our Python download is complete. So if you click here, then you will see a installation wizard. So if you want to install it on your PC, then you have to click on install now. But before clicking on install now, you have to check this add Python 2, add Python 3.10 to pack. Make sure you have checked this before you install this. So I already have installed it on my computer, so I don't want to install it again, so I'm cancelling it. After that, we need an ID or a code editor to run our Python code. So as a beginner, I will recommend you to use a PyCharm, because PyCharm have lots of built-in functionality, so it can help us to run our code easily without facing too much problem. So or if you have any idea of VS Code, then you can download VS Code Studio. I mean Visual Code Studio, So I'm going to download PyCharm. So I'm going to searching on PyCharm. So if you don't have PyCharm on your PC, then just search PyCharm in Google, and you will see JetBeans.official website, and you have to download it from here. Now click on download, and when you click on download, then you will see PyCharm versions. There is a two versions available. One is professional and one is community. So we are, as a beginner, we don't need too much functionality on our ID, so we will go with community version. So download community version is free, so you don't have to sign up or buy it from JetBeans. So it's completely free. You can use it until you actually learn Python. So for that you can download it now. And if you're an absolute beginner, then I don't want you to download VS Code, because if you download VS Code and install it on your PC, then you have to set up a few extension for Python to run Python in VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So I don't want you to do this right now. So just download PyCharm and install it. So I already have installed it on my PC, so I am not going to install it again. So okay, after that, when your environment setup is finished, then uh, you are ready to learn Python. So till now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.